This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen seasoning. We'll start by gathering common pantry staples to create a delicious and customizable blend. You'll learn to combine various spices and powders to achieve that perfect savory depth. This guide will help you craft a seasoning that elevates instant noodles or homemade broths, giving you full control over the flavor profile. Get ready to transform your ramen experience with just a few simple steps. For the foundation of your ramen seasoning, you'll need garlic powder and onion powder, each contributing essential aromatic notes. A teaspoon of paprika introduces a lovely color and a hint of sweetness, while a quarter teaspoon of white pepper provides a subtle, earthy warmth without overpowering. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. It's crucial for that rich, savory umami taste that defines great ramen. To further enhance your seasoning, consider adding a half teaspoon of ground ginger for a fresh, zesty kick. A small pinch of sugar, perhaps a quarter teaspoon, can beautifully balance the savory elements. If you enjoy heat, red pepper flakes are perfect for adding a customizable level of spice. Feel free to experiment with dried herbs such as cilantro or chives to personalize your blend even further, making it uniquely yours. Once you have all your chosen ingredients, simply combine them thoroughly in a small bowl, ensuring everything is well mixed. Transfer your freshly made seasoning to an airtight container for optimal freshness. It will keep well for several months. When preparing your ramen, start with 1 to 2 tablespoons of the blend per serving, then adjust to your preferred taste. This allows you to control the intensity and savor every delicious spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.